Here, this is Slingshot AI. They are running a airdrop and they will be running a airdrop. Now they are running a waitlist. You can be wait by putting your email inside of here. Okay, simple as that. Everybody can do it. Those who have phone and internet connection can do it. Just you need to put your email and that's it. Okay, I'm just providing my email inside of here. So I provided my email in here. Now I'll do submit by clicking on the submit button. Okay, so while I click the submit button, it is showed in here frequently. If you notice the back, if you back the video, you'll see that it has been submitted. Okay, you are on the waitlist. Okay, so probably it makes sense you don't yet in our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. People are from different countries. People are doing comment in here, freaking hard getting refers help us. So they are commenting in here. Everybody, okay, so you can be part of us in here. I'll be glad to you for joining in here. Okay, if you are if you are passionate about creating video like me, you can contact with me. I will make you moderator or uh, manager of my channel for just creating video and managing this type of post. Okay, you can be like this. Okay, just contact with me.